Do you write a letter? Do you write a letter? Write a letter. So you can see here, this is a question. Everyone can see this is a question. Do you write a letter? And we have to change it into passive voice. Okay. Clear, children? We have to change it in passive voice. Subject, you can see here, you is subject here. Letter is object here. Okay. And do we know that it will change into is MR because it is in present tense. Am I clear, children? So what we are going to make is a letter written by you. Is a letter written by you. Clear, children? In this way, we are going to change. If we are having any question, we are changing in this way. Do you write a letter? Do will become is. Then a letter is singular and it is object, is a letter. That's why we are writing here is. Okay. Is a letter written, verb third form. Written by you. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now I'll
Yes,
make
ma'am.
sentence more of past tense. Did you write a letter? Did you write a letter? Did you write a letter? Then what you are going to write? Was a letter. Because did is here, so we will change according to the tense. What auxiliary verbs we will use? With did we are using was, were. Okay. Was a letter written by you. Written by you. Can you write this letter? Can you write this letter? Can you write this letter? So you are going to frame. Can you write this letter? Can this letter be written by you? Can, because with models we are using be. Okay. With models we are using be. Ananya, what happened? Pay attention, beta. First, pay attention. Can this letter be written by you? Can this letter be written by you? Okay. Who writes? Who writes a letter? Who writes a letter? So how I will change this? Okay. Who writes a letter? By whom a letter is written? By whom a letter is written? So it will change into by whom. By whom a letter is written. Is written. Clear, children? I think up to this much is no problem. To anyone you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
also thumbs. Okay. So next, you can make how you have you seen? Have you seen Farida anywhere? Have you seen? Have you seen John anywhere? Have you seen John anywhere? Have you seen John anywhere? John anywhere.
Has John been seen by you anywhere?
Very good. Has John seen by you anywhere?
Anywhere.
Has John been seen? With has we are putting been. We are putting been.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Has John been seen by you anywhere? Been seen by you anywhere? Seen by you anywhere? Will you write a letter? Will you write a letter? Can you change it? Will you write a letter? Change this one. Will you write a letter into passive voice?
Will letter
letter write by you?
Right?
Written.
Will the letter written by
Will a
you?
letter
Will a letter
written by you?
Will a letter
Written by you.
be written by you? We are using be with in future tense. Good morning, ma'am. Be written by you. Will a letter be written by you? Beta, you have to stick on the formulas, okay? When we are changing from future, will be changing into will be. Okay? You have to remember the changes what we are making in passive voice. You have to remember the formulas. Clear, children? Up to this much is clear. So now shall we move on to the exercise part? Okay? Or I can give you one example. When did they visit? When did they visit the mall? When did they visit? When did they visit the mall? What you can make here? Passive voice. How can you change it into passive voice? When did they visit the mall?
When was the visited to mall?
Mall.
When was the mall
When was they visited to mall?
When did they visit the mall? When? Tell me, children.
was the mall
When
visited by them?
was
It will become was. When was the mall? Object will come first. Mall.
when was the mall visited by them?
Visited by them. Yes. Visited by
Visited by
them. They will become them. Clear, children? Now this is clear, I think. Clear, children? Show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear to everyone. Or shall I explain you again? Okay. Prabshir, Shraddha, Tanisha, Pari, Chaitanya, Raghav. Show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear. Otherwise, I'll make you clear again. Raghav, any problem? Any doubt? Chaitanya, Saksham, Naman, Pari, Prabshir, Shraddha, Pratyaksha. Any doubt, Aryav? Aryav, any doubt? So you can see here when we are making the changes, we are changing according to the verb. Like what is the tense? If it is past tense, we are using was were. If it is present tense, we are using is MR. If it is future, we are using will be, shall be. And if it is perfect tense, then we are putting been. Okay. If it is present, has been, have been. If it is future, will have been. If it is past, had been. Okay. So now we will move on to the exercise part. Is Mr. Sinha teaching you English? Is Mr. Sinha teaching you English? I'll share this page with you. So you can see this. Is Mr. Sinha? Yes, you can see. Is Mr. Sinha teaching you English? Can anyone tell me this one? Can you try, children? Can anyone try? Try, children. If you will speak wrong, it doesn't have. I don't have problem. At least you are learning.
Can I tell?
Yes, Vika.
Are you being taught English by Mr. Sinha?
Are you being taught? Absolutely right. Are you being taught? Because it is continuous tense, so we have to change into being. Are you being taught?
Are you being taught English by Mr. Sinha?
Being taught English by Mr. Sinha. By Mr. Sinha. Absolutely correct. Try the next one. Try the next one, children.
Was the job offered to him by you?
Yes. Was he offered a job? Or was a job offered to him by you? Absolutely correct. Was a job offered to him by you? Job offered to him by you. Him by you. Next. Can you try the next one, children? Try the next.
Did you know?
Do you know that lady?
Is that lady in the blue dress known by you?
Is that lady in blue dress known by you? Is that lady in blue dress known by you? Known by you. Absolutely correct. Anyone else will try now?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Has your income tax is paid by you?
Has or has your? Have your. Have your.
Have your income tax is paid by you?
Is or been. Have your
Ma'am,
income tax been? Because with have we are using been. Income tax been paid by.
Ma'am, this is fifth one.
And this is fifth one. One is left.
Okay.
Fourth
One is left.
So you have left
Can
fourth
you
one.
solve the puzzle?
Okay. Can you solve this puzzle?
Can this
This one.
puzzle solved by you?
Yes. Can this puzzle be
Can this
solved?
puzzle solved by you?
Can this puzzle be solved by you? Can this puzzle be solved by you? Be solved by you. Have your income tax been paid? Been paid by you. Next, try the next one. Sixth one. Have you invited her for your wedding? Have you invited her for your wedding?